In the highlands of Guatemala, a forest was vanishing. Wildfires scorched the hills, illegal loggers stripped the land, and climate change left only 2 months of rain a year. But in 1999, one man, Armando Lopez Pocol, planted his first tree. With no government funding and no fanfare, he began a quiet revolution. Year after year, through droughts, fires, and poverty, Armando and his team planted tens of thousands of native pine and cypress trees by hand. Locals thought he was wasting his time. Fires destroyed huge swaths of their progress. At one point, a third of their forest burned down, but he didn't stop. Today, more than 600,000 trees later, the mountains are turning green again. Wildlife has returned. Women and young people are working in the forest and building local livelihoods. The Chico Mendes Reforestation Project isn't just restoring nature, it's restoring hope. Armando's story proves that real change doesn't always come from policies or billion-dollar climate plans. Sometimes it comes from a shovel, a seed, and the stubborn belief that even one person can bring life back to the land. This is what it means to fight climate change, from the roots up.
As we delve into the intricate relationship between plants and human civilization, one of the most profound aspects to consider is the role of botany in food security. The science of botany, the study of plant life, extends far beyond the confines of the laboratory. It serves as a cornerstone for ensuring that populations around the globe have access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food. Historically, the domestication of key crops has laid the groundwork for the development of societies. From the earliest days of agriculture, when humans transitioned from foraging to farming, the selection and cultivation of specific plants have been instrumental in shaping economies, cultures, and even social structures. Crops like wheat, rice, and maize have not only provided sustenance, but have also driven trade, migration, and the rise of complex civilizations. In the modern context, the importance of botany in food security is more crucial than ever. With the world's population projected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, the demand for food continues to escalate. Botany plays a vital role in addressing this challenge through research and innovation. Scientists and agriculturalists are now employing advanced techniques in plant breeding, genetic engineering, and sustainable agricultural practices to enhance crop yields, improve resistance to pests and diseases, and adapt to changing climates. Moreover, understanding plant biodiversity is key to maintaining food security. Diverse ecosystems are more resilient to shocks, such as climate change or invasive species, and can provide a buffer against food shortages. Conservation efforts focused on preserving native plant species and traditional agricultural practices not only safeguard our current food systems, but also ensure future generations can thrive. As we explore the extraordinary role of plants in our survival, it becomes clear that botany is not just a branch of science. It is a vital lifeline that connects us to our past and propels us toward a sustainable future. By investing in botanical research and nurturing our relationship with the plant kingdom, we can build a more resilient world, where food security is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality for all. As we stand on the precipice of an uncertain future, the relationship between plants and humans is more critical than ever. Modern challenges, particularly climate change, pose significant threats to the survival of plant species worldwide, fundamentally altering the delicate balance that has sustained civilizations for centuries. Rising temperatures, erratic weather patterns, and increased carbon dioxide levels create a perfect storm for stress on ecosystems, pushing many plant species to their limits. The effects are far-reaching. For instance, droughts can decimate crops, leading to food shortages and economic instability. Simultaneously, invasive species may thrive in new climates, outcompeting native flora that have provided food, medicine, and shelter for various cultures throughout history. This dynamic not only jeopardizes biodiversity, but also threatens the very foundations of agriculture and traditional healing practices that have been passed down through generations. However, amidst these challenges lies a remarkable resilience. Many plants are adapting to changing conditions, evolving traits that allow them to thrive in harsher environments. Scientists are actively studying these adaptations, seeking to harness the resilience of certain species to develop crops that can withstand extreme weather conditions. This research is crucial as it offers hope for food security in a world where the climate is increasingly unpredictable. Moreover, the global community is recognizing the vital role that sustainable practices play in supporting plant survival. From reforestation projects aimed at restoring lost habitats to urban gardening initiatives that promote biodiversity in city landscapes, people are mobilizing to create a more harmonious relationship with nature. By understanding the extraordinary role plants play in our history and their ongoing potential to adapt and survive, we can forge a path toward a more sustainable future, ensuring that both plants and humans can thrive together. As we navigate the complexities of modern challenges, it's imperative to remember that the survival of plants is not just about preserving flora, it's about safeguarding the cultures, economies, and legacies that are intertwined with them. Through concerted efforts in conservation, innovation, and sustainable practices, we can honor the roots of resilience that have shaped our civilizations and ensure that they continue to flourish in the face of adversity. In the intricate tapestry of human history, the threads of community and collaboration are woven tightly with the wisdom of indigenous knowledge. For millennia, indigenous peoples have cultivated a profound understanding of the plants that inhabit their environments, recognizing their multifaceted roles not just as resources, but as integral members of their ecosystems. This traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, offers invaluable insights into sustainable practices, medicinal uses, and the deep connections between flora and community well-being. Indigenous knowledge systems emphasize the interconnectedness of all living things, fostering a sense of stewardship that often contrasts sharply with contemporary exploitation models. By observing natural patterns and cycles, indigenous communities have developed sustainable agricultural practices that not only ensure food security, but also enhance biodiversity. For instance, the Three Sisters crop rotation system, where corn, beans, and squash are grown together, demonstrates a profound understanding of companion planting and soil health, showcasing how plants can mutually support one another while providing a balanced diet. Furthermore, this rich tapestry of knowledge extends beyond agriculture. Indigenous healers have long recognized the medicinal properties of local plants, using them to treat ailments in ways that modern science is only beginning to understand and validate. The resurgence of interest in herbal medicine and holistic health practices invites a deeper exploration of these traditional remedies, which often emphasize a symbiotic relationship with nature. Collaboration with indigenous communities is crucial for contemporary society as we navigate challenges such as climate change and biodiversity loss. By integrating indigenous perspectives into modern environmental strategies, we can foster resilience in our ecosystems and societies. Initiatives that honor and incorporate indigenous knowledge not only empower these communities, but also enrich our collective understanding of nature's intricate balance. As we delve into the extraordinary role of plants in shaping civilizations, it becomes clear that embracing community and collaboration, especially through the lens of indigenous wisdom, is not just beneficial, it is essential. This partnership between traditional knowledge and contemporary science holds the potential to cultivate a more sustainable and resilient future where both humanity and the natural world can thrive together. In exploring the future perspectives of plant resilience, we stand at a fascinating crossroads where ancient wisdom meets cutting-edge science. As we delve into the capabilities of plants to withstand adversity, we discover a treasure trove of potential benefits for humanity. The ability of certain species to thrive in extreme conditions, be it drought, salinity, or temperature fluctuations, offers critical insights into agricultural sustainability and food security. Imagine harnessing the genetic traits of resilient plants to cultivate crops that can flourish in increasingly unpredictable climates. Researchers are already working to identify and isolate the genes responsible for these survival mechanisms, paving the way for advanced breeding techniques and genetically engineered crops that can withstand the ravages of climate change. This could revolutionize our approach to farming, allowing us to produce food in regions previously deemed uninhabitable. Moreover, the medicinal properties of resilient plants, many of which have been used for centuries by indigenous cultures, are gaining renewed attention. The study of these plants not only enriches our understanding of ethnobotany, but also fuels the quest for new pharmaceuticals. By investigating plant resilience, scientists may uncover novel compounds that can treat diseases or enhance human health, promising a future where nature's solutions are integrated into modern medicine. Additionally, as urban areas expand and green spaces become limited, the resilience of plants can guide urban planning and landscaping. Selecting plant species that can thrive in harsh urban environments will promote biodiversity, improve air quality, and contribute to the overall well-being of city dwellers. In essence, the future perspectives on plant resilience are not just about survival, they are about thriving. As we learn to appreciate and leverage the remarkable adaptability of plants, we open doors to innovative solutions that can address some of humanity's most pressing challenges, transforming the way we interact with our environment and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. The roots of resilience, it seems, run deeper than we ever imagined.
As we conclude our exploration of the profound impact plants have had on human civilizations and our collective resilience, it becomes clear that the lessons gleaned from the plant kingdom are both timeless and transformative. Throughout history, plants have not only provided sustenance, medicine, and materials, but have also served as powerful symbols of strength and adaptability in the face of adversity. From the ancient Mesopotamians who cultivated wheat and barley to sustain their burgeoning societies, to the indigenous peoples who relied on native flora for survival in harsh environments, plants have been our steadfast partners in navigating the challenges of existence. Their ability to thrive in diverse and often inhospitable conditions mirrors our own capacity for resilience, reminding us that adaptability is key in overcoming obstacles. As we reflect on the intertwining of human and plant histories, we are reminded of the importance of stewardship and respect for the natural world. The lessons of patience, growth, and interconnectedness that plants teach us are essential not only for our survival, but for the flourishing of future generations. By fostering a deeper connection with our environment and acknowledging the vital roles that flora play in our lives, we can cultivate a more sustainable and harmonious existence. In embracing the wisdom of the plant kingdom, we are encouraged to nurture our own resilience, drawing inspiration from the silent strength and unwavering tenacity of the green world around us. Let us carry forward these lessons, ensuring that our relationship with nature continues to thrive as we face the uncertainties of the future. After all, just as plants adapt and flourish, so too can we, rooted in the lessons of the past and blossoming into a hopeful tomorrow. As we conclude our exploration of the extraordinary role plants have played in shaping civilizations and their remarkable resilience in the face of adversity, we are reminded of the profound connection between humanity and the natural world. From providing sustenance and medicine to inspiring cultural practices and technological advancements, plants have been silent yet powerful allies throughout history. Their ability to adapt and thrive in challenging environments serves as a testament to their strength and versatility, mirroring our own capacity for resilience. As we move forward, let us honor these botanical wonders and recognize their contributions not just to our survival, but to the rich tapestry of life that sustains us all. We encourage you to delve deeper into the fascinating world of plants and consider how we can cultivate that same resilience in our lives and communities. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.